Oh, I forgot part 3 of the video, where if you guys care to, you could go and check out your knowledge of Betafpv, or you could check out their Facebook or their Instagram, I think, and YouTube. So long as Tim's autofocus is working as it should, you should be able to use this as your QR code to go check them out, if so you wish. Orders and product support, you can create a support ticket, blah, 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 at betafpv.com to contact, or support betafpv.com. Anyway, get yourself an iron quad. It's if you've never flown any FPV thing, get yourself an iron quad. The Cetus, they have the Cetus Pro and a bunch of other ones now. It's all good stuff. Easy.
Likey.